Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, today we will start the ninth class chemistry from the first chapters. Now let's get started. That what is a chemistry? My dear student, chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, its composition, structure, properties, and the changes that it undergoes. This is a definitions of chemistry. Now we explain the main points and the definitions of chemistry. Main points and the definition of chemistry. Number one, chemistry is a branch of science. Number two, study of matter. Number three, composition of matter. Number four, structure of matter. Number five, properties of matter. Number six, changes in matter. These are the main points and the definitions of chemistry. Now we discuss each one's with explanation. Chemistry is a branch of science. Chemistry is one of the main branch of science along with physics and biology. It helps us understand what things are made of, how they behave, and how they react with each other. Study of matter. The main focus of chemistry is matter. Now, what is a matter? Matter, anything that has mass and takes up space. For example, air, water, school bag, book, body, etc. These all are matter because it has mass and takes up space. Composition of matter. Composition mean what something is made of. For example, water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. Salt is made of sodium and chlorine. Structure of matter. Structure refer to how particles like atoms and molecules are arranged in a substance. For example, water and water molecules, the atoms are arranged and form abundant structures. This is a structures of water. Properties of matter. Properties are the characteristic or features of matter. There are two main types of the properties: physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties mean color, shape, size, boiling point, melting point, I to say. Examples: water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. This is the physical properties. Chemical properties, how a substance react with other substances. Examples: iron reacts with oxygen to form rust. This is chemical properties. Changes in matter. Matter doesn't stay the same all the time. It can change in different ways. Chemistry studies these changes. There are two main types of changes: physical change, chemical change. Physical change, the substance remain the same, no new substance is formed. Example: ice melting into water, water evaporating into steam. These are physical changes because in these changes no new substance is formed. Chemical change, a new substance is formed with different properties. mean a change in which a new substance is formed which have different properties. Example, milk turning sour, burning earth, roasting iron. These are chemical changes because in these changes a new substance is formed which have a different properties which have a different properties. This is why it is called as chemical change. So this is all about the definitions of chemistry. I hope you will understand. If you have any questions or confusions about the definitions of chemistry, then you will ask in the comment sections. Inshallah, in the next class, we discuss the branches of chemistry. If you liked this class, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icons and share it with your friends. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.